plastics, paper, the definition of garbage, waste materials, dangers caused by waste materials, what is recycling, the aim of recycling, 3R. What is solid waste? Solid waste is the useless and unwanted products that we do not to use or we want to make them disappear out of our sights. Sorts of solid waste. Waste from houses, medical waste, industrial waste, agricultural waste, dangerous waste, electronic waste, propyl. Waste from houses. When we buy something, we use the things inside and cans of package and we have the garbage. Medical waste, they are the waste produced by hospitals. Industrial waste, when you produce something in the factories, the leftover are the last. Factories, the leftover is waste. For example, waste from mines, propyls, Korea, metals, used copper, aluminium, etc. Agricultural waste, waste occurred from leaves, hair, roots, etc. during harvest. Dangerous waste, they could be fatal for the living creatures and greenhouse gas. They are toxic carcinogenic substances. They can be easily catch fire and have explosive chemical substances. Electronic waste, they are the devices which are out of order, do not work. For example, computer, mobile phone, television, etc. Propyl, they are used in machines in order to decrease the friction of metals. It's made of petroleum. Propyl is a dangerous oil after being used. It must not be poured it must not be poured into water, sea, etc. Otherwise, it's going to be dangerous for the environment. Oil from vegetables. 1 liter of oil causes 1 million liters of water undrinkable. Package waste. After we use things, the leftover are glass, metal, plastics, paper, and corrugated cardboard. Thank you.
What is recycling? Recycling is the process of making or manufacturing new products from a product that has originally served its purpose. If disused products are disposed of in an appropriate environmentally friendly way, the process of recycling has been set in motion. What happens to stuff we throw away? 34% recycled or composted, 11% combusted for energy, 54% landfill. Steps to recycling materials, collecting and processing. After collection, recyclables are sent to a recovery facility to be sorted, cleaned and processed into materials that can be used in manufacturing. Manufacturing. More and more of today's products are being manufactured with recycled content. Common household items that contain recycled materials include newspaper and paper towels, aluminium, plastic and glass of drink containers, steel cans and plastic laundry detergent bottles. Recycled materials are also used in new ways such as recovered glass and asphalt to pave roads or recovered plastic in carpeting and farm benches. Purchasing new products made from recycled materials. By buying new products made from recycled materials, you have closed recycling loop. There are thousands of products that contain recycled content. When you go shopping, look for products that can be easily recycled and products that contain recycled content. Some of the common products you can find that can be made with recycled content include aluminum cans, car bumpers, carpeting, cereal boxes, comic books, egg cartons, glass containers, laundry detergent bottles, motor oil, nails, newspaper, paper towels, steel products, and trash bags.
Sort of packing rice which can be recycled.
recycled plastic packages, metal packages, glass containers, paper cardboard packages, composite packages. Plastic packages. Plastic are made of petroleum, and its contents they have different sorts. PET, PVC, PP, PS, PE. PE, they are the ones which we mainly use at our homes. They are the bottles of bleach, packages, shampoo, litter bags, etc. PVC, they are the packages of liquid detergent, some chemical substances, and health and cosmetics. PP, they are the caps of the bottles of detergent packages, margarine containers, etc. PS, they are the cups of yogurt and margarine containers. PET, they are the packages of bottles of water and beverages. Cons, when we recycle 1 ton of package waste, we save 14,000 kilowatt energy in per hour. For example, we save 4 million kilowatt of energy in Turkey per year. Metal containers, steel cans and tin cans. Recycling steel and tin cans, for example, saves 74% of the energy used to produce them. A steel mill that uses recycled scrap reduces related water pollution, air pollution, and mining waste by about 70%. Recycling still saves at least 75% of the energy it will take to create steel from raw materials. That's enough energy to power 80 million homes. 1 ton of metal is recycled. 1,300 kilogram raw materials can be saved. Turkey saves approximately 2 million tons. Glass is endlessly recyclable, and most glass bottles and jars now contain at least 25% recycled glass, which also requires 75% less energy to produce than glass made from new materials. When 1 ton of glass is recycled, 100 liters of gas are saved. What not to recycle? Not all glass can be recycled. The following items should not be placed into your recycling bin. Any glass contaminated with stones, dirt, and food waste, ceramics such as dishware, ovener, and decorative items, heat-resistant glass such as Pyrex, mirror colors of broken glass, mixed colors of broken glass, mirror or window glass, metal or plastic caps and lids, crystal. Thank you.
Diğer düğmeyi dene.
Package from paper and cardboard. Corrugated cardboard, magazines, office paper, newspaper, paperboard, dairy and juice cartons also take direct mail and phone booths. Paper and cardboard. Most of us use a product made of paper every day. Paper production represents about 1.2% the versatile economic output. When we recycle out of paper, 16 oak trees will be saved. For example, 80 million oak trees, and 40,000 hectare forest area will be saved in Turkey. Composite packages. It's an intended package comprising of an inner container and an outer shell, and is used as a single unit. For example, sparkling, clean Teflon tape, plastic film, and foil. Garbage container in Turkey, in Istanbul. Our municipality collects our garbage in these containers. These are used in big shopping centers. And 3 are reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce. Making a new product requires a lot of materials and energy. Raw materials must be extracted from the earth, and the product must be fabricated and then transported to wherever it will be sold. As a result, reduction and reuse are the most effective ways you can save natural resources, protect the environment, and save money. Reuse. Benefits of reducing and reusing. Prevents pollution caused by reducing the need to harvest new raw materials. It saves energy. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global climate change. It helps sustain the environment for future generations. It saves money. It reduces the amount of waste that will need to be recycled or sent to landfills and incinerators. It allows products to be used to their fullest extent. Recycling is the process of collecting and processing materials that would otherwise be thrown away and turning them trash and turning them into new products. Recycling can benefit your community and environment. Benefits of recycling. Reduces the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. It conserves natural resources such as timber, water, and minerals. It prevents pollution caused by reducing the need to collect new raw materials. It saves energy. It reduces greenhouse gas emissions that contribute to global climate change. It helps sustain the environment for future generations. It helps create new well-paying jobs in the recycling and manufacturing industries. Yeah, thanks.